So now that we sort of have this situation in check, what if we introduce a brand new phone that has a different rate of sales? So we have this Pyroid. It's different than the PiPhone. It's cheaper, so it's going to be expected to sell faster. So we expect to make and sell 10,000 pre-orders in week 0. But the sales are going to increase by 7% each week, whereas the PiPhones were 15% each week. So the table is partially filled in. We've already got the first couple Pyroid T sub n or T of n data points. And then we have really just some calculations that need to be done. If you would prefer, you could do, 10 to find this calculation. Instead of multiplying by 1.07 twice, you could just do 1.07 squared. Here you could do 10,000. We talked about this on one of the previous slides as well. It might make it easier to type into your calculator. So go ahead and figure out what those are by just using your calculator. And hopefully you're getting numbers that look like this. Now let's write our explicit equation. So remember, this is also geometric because we are multiplying to get each of the next terms. So we use the same expression where A is our 0 term and R is our rate of increase. So T of n would be A is 10,000 times our rate of increase, which is 1.07, raised to the nth power. And maybe you noticed that is actually what was written here in for the nth term.